Today we drive to St. Anthony, which is a 4.5 to 5 hour drive from Deer Lake. You will want to stop and take pictures along the way, so plan plenty of time to arrive.
Details about
What is it? What are you feeling right now?
Very emotional to be up here where it was first discovered, and with the Vikings and all the history. History blows me away, so this is amazing. And I'm crying just like you.
To tell you about this house. So this is the kitchen. It's called the Scally, but it's not just the kitchen, it's the main sleeping room for the crew. So it's a dorm, basically. And everybody would be sleeping on these benches around the fire here, staying warm. And on this cooking pot here, you could hang a pot over the fire, and you would make your stew, and you'd cook, or your oatmeal in the morning. Usually there's 2 meals.
L'Anse Aux Meadows closed while we were at the official site, and once they closed, there's no way to get back to the parking lot except for a 4-kilometer hike around the shoreline or to walk across the bog, so be forewarned. We took the opportunity to pick some bake apples and partridge berries as we returned to the parking lot. Just 2 kilometers down the road from L'Anse Aux Meadows is the Norstead Viking Village. It's home of the full-sized replica Viking ship, the Snorri. The village is a must-see if you're in the area.
13 tons of ballast. It will also need 2 tons of additional gear, which is not on board right now, the sail, mast, and yardarm. And Snorri can carry up to 8 tons of optional cargo. So all in all,
Nice. He just tucked his left leg out.
We can try with one hand first, guy.
Whoa!
Hey.
Frankie,
Just
having
like
a go?
that.
What a pro! I'll have a go.
Here he comes. This is for his head. Oh, see?
Oh, wife threw better.
Hang on, I think we each need to take a turn and I'll get video, a
Hey,
short
you
video
can
of
get
it.
a chicken.
Yeah.
Hey, it's in there.
She did it.
In the hole.
In the hole, bud.
Oh my.
Oh, see, I keep hitting the shank.
Well, we gotta get a video of it going in.
Can we take the head off of one of those chickens?
The women got it.
We'll be here all day.
Like,
Am I
like
spinning
you
it
mean
too
it.
much?
Like you mean it.
Yeah, but I'm hitting the top end, not hitting on the blade. See?
Take a step back.
Maybe
to
a
where you
step
were.
back.
There you go. Okay, maybe not.
No, one more. You gotta get it in. The skidoo out of our.
Beautiful.
and you just keep going back and forth, and I put the wick through again, and then heat it up, and then move the bark in, separating the strands again, and just keep on pushing up.
Very smart. Yeah.
A lot of work.
Exactly.
nails, and we also made jewelry. But blacksmiths did have short lifespans due to black lung. That is a disease developed from all of the smoke. Because of this, I would have to train my apprentice at the age of 7, and the job of the apprentice was pumping bellows and making charcoal. When my apprentice became a man, at the ages of 12, he would start forging with the iron Before he knew it, he took over as the blacksmith because his father was just too sick to work. And you would pass on your knowledge from family to family or generation to generation.
Oh, there's another one. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.